So the first question, so question one and two are linked together, but the first one was how do you currently test your fleet's batteries? And I was actually kind of shocked by this one because 28% of the individuals who did respond to it actually properly load test their batteries. And we'll get into what they use to load test their batteries, but the fact that we have customers or fleet management or fleet managers properly load testing batteries to see if they're good or bad is a great sign, and I wish that number was a little bit higher. Scheduled preventative maintenance, again, another great thing to see. 18% of people responded saying that they have a scheduled preventative maintenance program. Manual voltage checks, again, manual voltage checks are good, just to determine what the OCV is of a battery, but really what we'd like to see on a voltage check would be if the truck's running and you're turning on different auxiliary loads and seeing what the voltage is, seeing what alternator output is. So a proper entire system diagnostic would probably be the best way to do that. Don't test batteries regularly. That's 4%. We need to get those numbers further down to 0%. Visual inspection only. Again, I wish I could tell what's going on the inside of a battery just by looking at it. Unfortunately, we can't. We don't build nice see-through batteries. Maybe that's something that we can look at doing. And then,
Matt, what do you think about batteries and the technology? And I know we're going to speak about it a little bit about lithium. Lithium, because of the BMS systems, they're smart batteries.
Yeah.
You can log into them and find out exactly what's going on. But that's a great point. When it comes to batteries, I don't want to say they're dumb batteries, but they're just batteries that we really don't know unless we test them properly. And unfortunately, but there's some good stuff that we'll go through that they have access to that will test them properly. But it is a bit of a challenge. You're right.